Halo guys, halo. Sekarang kita mau bikin video lagi. Ini yang bernama Mobile Legends. Let's go guys. Kita mainnya guys di rank. Ini kita bisa kayak guys main di rank. Oke, bisa.
My blood boils until...
Ready, go! Ready, go!
Let's go guys.
To Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Deployed! Initiate retreat!
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
First blood!
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Keep an eye on the map.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
You have been slain.
Jangan pakai lain lah. Lemon.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
An enemy has been slain.
The gun represents justice. the bad
has
guys.
slain the turtle. Good game.
That one little girl. The gun represents a gentleman slain, pointing at me.
You have been slain.
Father, come back home. Damn.
Enemy rampage. An ally has been slain. Enemy unstoppable.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Launch attack. Shut down. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Launch attack. Slain the turtle.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Double kill.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Request backup. Mega kill. Your team destroyed the turret. Shut down. Initiate retreat.
That once little girl is gonna save someone.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. An ally has been slain. An enemy has launched attack. Okay. Your team destroyed a turret.
The gun represents time to shine.
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Okay. Unstoppable. An enemy has been slain. Mega kill.
Serang.
That once little girl.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Menghancurkan. Sama ya.
once little girl.
Enemy double kill. Shut down. Enemy triple. Monster kill.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
That once little girl.
Time to shine. Shut down. Double kill. Triple kill. Launch attack.
The gun
Ally
represents
has been
justice.
slain.
When pointing at the
Double
bad guys.
kill. Wiped out. Launch attack.
Once little girl. He's gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Mega kill.
That once little
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Godlike. Double kill. Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
The gun represents justice.
Legendary.
When pointing at the bad guys.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
That once little girl.
Launch attack.
He's gonna save someone this time.
Attack the Lord.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Attack the Lord. Your team destroyed a turret.
Maaf guys, sini aku lagi. Ini lagi main Mobile Legends, maaf. Dari tadi aku diam terus ya. Mohon maaf ya, jadi aja aku baru ngomong dia.
An enemy
I'm
has been
sorry.
slain.
You can. Apa?
Attack the Lord. Double kill.
Oke guys.
He's gonna save someone this time.
Killing spree.
Ya kita terus menang.
Double kill.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Shut down. Enemy double kill. Unstoppable. Double kill. Legendary. Double kill. Launch attack. God
once little girl. To be saved.
Your team destroyed Denver. Slain.
Guys, lagi kita mau menang ya, gitu. Sekarang mainan udah mau menang ya guys.
Launch attack.
Ayo berserbu untuk mengalahkan kematian ini. Akhirnya menang juga guys, walaupun aku dalam keadaan metong guys, metong parah ya. Ini victory guys, alhamdulillah victory, dan kita lanjut dengan babakan berikutnya. Aku emang orangnya tuh suka random main permainannya ya guys. Walaupun nih cucupat apa? Ini aku lagi cucup. Hah? Oke guys, sampai sini dulu ya. Udah, bye bye.